Hello student, today we are going to study the multiplication of 2-bit number, two 8-bit number. Now for that what we are going to do, now we are going to take two number at two position. Now suppose I am taking number at 8000, suppose I am taking number 5 and 8001, I am taking a number 2. Now what I am going to do, the multiplication will be 10 and the hexadecimal will be called 08. Now this result I am going to store at 8010 at 8010 I'm going to store my result. Now if you see what process we are going to take, now either we can add 2 5 times, then it will give 10, or we can add 5 2 times, then it will get 10. Means here there will be a lower loop, means less time will be taking, here higher time will be taken. So we will be making the subtrahend, this one subtrahend means second number, the lowest number as our loop. This will be given in our loop register, and whatever the, suppose if I take a bigger number of 8-bit number, then what it might generate a carry. That carry we are going to store in C register. So we are going to start writing the our program. Now let us write the program. Now what I am going to do, I am going to move immediate C with 0 0. It means I am clearing my C register with 0 0, and I am clearing A also with 0 0. This is the command that we have given. Now I am loading my number LXI H with 8000 here. The first number will be stored LXI H comma, this is the first number where it will be stored. Now this content I am moving in some register called B from memory. Value 5 is being moved to register B. Now after that I am increasing the HL pair, which will give our second number. Now I am moving this number to another register D. Now after that what we are going to do, we are going to add D. We are going to add 5 and 5, because in this B register we have 5. Now if you see, after performing add operation there will be a carry. If there is no carry, then jump to a location called down. Suppose we are going to jump down. Now let me write the down, DOW, and from here our program will be started from down. And where down is written, and there we are going to increase the INR, increase the content of C, because this will, if there is any carry, then this content will be increased, and then I am going to decrease the content of D. This I will be explaining later. Let me write the program. And then J and J loop. This loop will be starting from here, which I was saying that we are going to add D, that is 5 2 times. And here if there is carry, then what we are going to do, we are going, if there is no carry, then we will not increase our content of C. If there is carry, then only we are going to increase the content. So this will come here, INR C. And lastly we are going to store the value. Now we are going to store at 801 STA at 8010, and we are going to move carry to accumulator, and we are going to move this number to just a higher digit, and we are going to call this program. So this is the program we have written. Now let me auto correct this program. Now when I have auto corrected, this thing has been moved, means moving MBI with the 0. This is the program. Now move MBI with 0, and moreover this has come up. So let me write this You remove this one because this program was started from here only. LXI at move m comma b, then increment the content of art, move m comma d, move m comma d, now add b, now jnc down, then increment. Now this is our program. So autocorrect this. Now this is our program that we have written. Now we are going to study what the program is going to do. Now move c comma 0 0 means we have initialized c with 0. Move a comma the second, we have initialized a with 0. Now LXI H means HL pair will be pointing toward 8000, and in 8000 there will be a content called 05. And from memory I am moving to register B. This 05 is moved to register B, and incrementing the HL content means now HL content here, now it is 8000, now it will be moved to 8001, and here our register, here the value 2 is stored. Now I am moving this 2 to another register D. Now it is having 2. Now I told you just keep the loop, make this register as a loop. So we have made this register as a loop, and we are going to add on this. So we have started add b. What add will we do? Whatever the content of accumulator, that will be get added to. Now initially it was 0. Now what is the content of b? 5. Now it will give 5. Now whenever there is no carry, it will just go to down, and there it will decrease the content of d. Now the content is 2. Now d will be 1. So this loop is going to happen for 2 times because the content initially was 2. So 2 times this will increase, and whenever there is carry after operation, then this will increase the content of C, and this we are going to store at 8011. And moreover, let me erase all this one. After performing this loop operation, the whatever the result in accumulator, that after this addition 5 plus 5 you will get 10. In hexameter you are going to get 0a, that I am going to store at 8010. If we keep some other number, suppose we are keeping some higher number, then there will be carry. That carry we are going to store at 8011. Now let us erase all things, and we are going to just simulate this one, and we are going to see. Before simulating, let us assemble first. Assemble this program. Now we are going to assemble this one. Go to assemble. Now you will be getting this program. This program we have written. Now go to memory, and here this opcode and this opcode will be same. And what we need to do, we need to feed the data 8000. We are going to feed an 8000 and 8001. We are going to feed our two value, which we are going to, suppose we are keeping 05, now making 02, enter. Now we are going to simulate at once only, so that we will get our results run all at a time. Now if you see, our result 8010 is having 0a. If you see these two data, if you see 05 and 02, this got multiplied, and our answer is 0a, which is at 8010. There is no carry, so 8011 has not been shown in our program. Now if you want to see the if you want to do the step-wise simulation, then you can do step-wise simulation from here forward. Now C is having 00. Once again forward. Now let me delete all this so that you can see it very nicely. Now move A is moved with 00. Now HL, it is 8000. Now move M comma B, whatever there is in M, that will be moved to B. Now B is having 5. Now increment the content of, now it has been got 8001. Now this is going to move to D. Here you have 2. Now if you want to see, this is the first content that has been moved to B. This is the second content that has been moved to D. Now if you go forward, then add B. This addition is going to take place in accumulator. Here you can see the accumulator. Now you just decrement JNC down. There is no carry, so it will run to down. See, it will directly go to down, and decrement the content of D. Now it has been decremented to 1. Once again the loop will go J loop. Now loop, it will take loop and it will add one more 5 times. Now here it has been added and it is 0A. Now decrement the content of D, it has become 0. Now it will bypass the loop and it will halt our program. This is 0A, we got it. Now this is all about your multiplication of two 8-bit number.